Today we're here to try these 3 Lay's chips from China, and I got these at World Market. This is, let's see, sizzling artificial squid flavor. It's got a squid on the bottom here. This one is roasted artificial chicken wings flavor. There's like a chicken wing there. And then this one says it's Big Wave potato chips spicy flavor. So it has a pepper there. Let's try the sizzling artificial squid flavor first. It is wavy on the chip, and it does have a seafood flavor to it. Just a slight bit of heat to that one. Okay, this is the artificial chicken wing flavor. Also a wavy chip. So this one's using chicken wing seasoning, so it doesn't really taste like the chicken itself, but it actually does have a pretty good flavor to it. And this one just has a slight bit of heat to it too, spicy heat. So this is the spicy flavor one. Kind of a orangey color, and it's also wavy. There's a little bit of heat coming on now. This one's supposed to have some red pepper seasoning in it, but it's only got just a little bit of heat. It's just a little spicier than these two. I guess maybe if you eat more, then maybe it'll build up. So let's see, what am I going to give these? These two were actually pretty good. They had a pretty good taste. This one was not quite as hot as I thought it would be. So I think I'll give these 2 A's, and I'll give this one maybe a B. It wasn't quite as spicy as it should have been. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.